Hi, I'm Arnold, OFW in Ghana, Africa. In the last 2 months, ay nagawa kong kumita ng 84,000. Pag itotal ko lahat yung mga kinita ko gamit ang proven automated system ay umaabot na ng 544,000.
Hi, my name is Sai from Davao City, and using the system, nagawa kong kumita ng almost 190,000 pesos.
Hi, my name is Raymond from Pasig City. So in total, kinita ko dito sa system na to is 518,600 pesos.
Hi, my name is Jico, and using this system, I made 310,000 pesos.
Hi, my name is Angel from Caloocan City. Gamit ang system na ito, nagawa kong kumita ng 35,000 sa loob ng 18 days. At ang kabuuan ay 102,900.
Hi, my name is Jojo from Caloocan City. All in all, ang total income na kinita ko na gamit ang system na to ay umabot na ng 212,900 pesos. No?
Hi, my name is Jay from Cavite. In the last 2 months, kumita ako ng 70,000 pesos using this proven income system. So kung ito-total ko ang lahat ng kinita ko dito ay umaabot na ng 106,000.
Hi, my name is Jonathan from Bohol. In just 2 months, kumita ako ng 85,800 pesos using this automated proven system. Kung itotal ko lahat yung kinita ko dito, umabot ng 485,800 pesos using this system.
Hi, my name is Resit from Caloocan, and using this system, nagawa kong kumita ng 45,500, and in the last 5 days, nagawa kong kumita ng 15,000 in sales. So in total, 60,500.
Hi, my name is Ken. I am a registered nurse. Yung kinita ko for the last 30 days ay umabot ng 30,600. Kapag i-total natin lahat ng mga kinita ko, umabot siya ng 123,000 pesos.
Hi, this is Paulo from Quezon City. Using this system, nagawa kong kumita ng 13,800 in just 1 day. And all in all, nagawa kong kumita ng 143,200 pesos.
Hi, this is Mau from Bulacan. And using this new system, I earned 284,900. All in all, ang kinita ko using this kind of system is 2,428,300. At kung gusto mong kitain yung mga kinikita ng mga current member and affiliate of this community, all you need to do is to decide na maging part ng community na to.